climb inside the 2010 Infiniti G37. This two-door, four-passenger coupe still has fewer than 5,000 miles. Infiniti made sure to keep road handling and sportiness at the top of its priority list. It features an automatic transmission, rear-wheel drive, and a refined six-cylinder engine. Infiniti infused the interior with top-shelf amenities such as a power seat, remote keyless entry, and leather upholstery. With high-intensity discharge headlights illuminating your path, you'll always appreciate maximum visibility. You and your passengers will enjoy the stereo system, which includes a CD player with MP3 capability and 6 well-positioned speakers. Infiniti also prioritized safety and security with features such as front and side impact airbags, traction control, and four-wheel disc brakes with ABS. Brake Assist technology provides extra pressure when applying the brakes. Our team is professional and we offer a no-pressure environment. We are here to help you.